Hello everyone, welcome back. After a long break, we will be now continuing with our study of mind rubrics. So let's take the next rubric, and our next rubric from Kent's Repertory is barking. Hmm. Usually, we associate barking with a dog barking or some animal making some kind of a sound. But what is the dictionary meaning of barking? The dictionary meaning, there are different meanings for barking. One of the meanings is completely mad, extremely silly. Matlab, you've gone mad. You start. What do we say? We say, why are you barking like a dog? Why are you yelling at us? Why? Let's talk a bit calmly. No, let's talk about it. Why are you shouting, yelling? You've gone mad or what? That's what we say, that when someone is shouting, yelling, screaming, oh, he's gone mad, he's screaming, he's not talking properly. Hmm? That is what is one of the meanings of barking, yelling. To speak in a loud, curt, and usually angry tone. Loud. Are you all very loud? Lower your tone. Let's talk softly. Let's talk about it. Characteristic short, loud cry. That is what is the dictionary meaning of the word barking. So it is one, as we already discussed, it has to do a lot with the sound. The tone of the voice is very high, rough, like a dog. Insane, you have gone insane, you have gone mad, you are shouting, yelling, screaming, violence. It signifies violence. You are becoming violent, you are becoming insane. Huh? Following are the remedies. There are 4 remedies given in Kent Repertory for this rubric. The first remedy is Belladonna. Now, what is also common in all 4 of these remedies is, if you read the proving, we will see that all 4 have some kind of insanity. I'm going to go mad. Either they have fear of insanity or they feel I have gone mad. This insanity is one very clear symptom seen in all of these remedies. So, for example, in Belladonna, there is a lot of violence and suddenness, and this we have learnt repeatedly in the various rubrics that we have studied till now, right? Belladonna has sudden violent complaints, sudden terror. I have fear, and in the provings, it is like there is some kind of violence that is going to happen. The things are getting destroyed, or the animal or the ghost is going to come, is going to rip apart, is going to tear me. Oh, it's very scary. So they feel that something like that can happen, and that scares them, that they are very scared about that. And to prevent that, they feel they have to be violent themselves. They start hitting, striking, shouting, yelling. They have lot of strength. They break things. They become very violent, and they will tell us that it's sudden. Suddenly I did this. Suddenly this happened. Achanak se. This suddenness, violence, and terror, fear, is what is characteristic of Belladonna. Calcarea Carb. Again, this remedy we have done a lot of times in our rubrics. In Calcarea Carb is also very scared, is also very fearful. He is fearful of everything. He is fearful of animals. He is fearful of any calamity happening. He is fearful of his own health. And one of his main fears is fear of insanity, that I may go wrong. I will lose all my senses. Maybe my eyes will not work. Maybe I'll not be able to hear what people are saying. Maybe I'll not be able to talk what I want to. This fear of losing your senses is very, very characteristic of Calcarea Carb, that I will go mad. I will not be able to understand what people are telling me. I will not be able to understand that, or I will not be able to talk it. So all the sensory exchange will be gone. Hear, vision, talking, touch, smell, all this will be gone. Communication. This fear is very characteristic of Calcarea Carb. Other symptoms we have already done, so I am skipping this. The other symptoms. The next remedy is Cantharis, right? So in Cantharis, what we see in Cantharis, there is a frenzy. Frenzy means you see Cantharis is an insect. Insects like this, they move. This is called frenzy. Everything they feel too much is happening. Oh my God, this is also this is what to do. So much is happening. I can't tolerate this. I am very very impatient. I want result now, immediately. I want. No, I cannot take homeopathy is very slow. I want result now, immediately. It should reduce. Should I do? Immediately it has to go. You see how fast I am talking. I'm getting tired. I'm getting breathless. This space of talk, this intensity of suffering, where you see, oh my God, I can't. Can I manage this? This is too intense. Very very intense suffering. There is lot of burning, there is lot of pain, there is lot of irritation, burning, pain, and wanting results now. And generally what we see in insect remedies and also in Cantharis is they become very indecent. If you read Kent or if you read Tyler, you'll see that mothers or family is very shocked that their daughter or their son is using very bad foul language, you know below the belt, very offensive language from a person who has come from a cultured family, from a person we don't expect, and suddenly they are talking. Previously they would not. Or in general also, insects, even while they are talking, are very abusive. Or all tubercular miasm. This is tubercular miasm. There are so many things to do. I am overwhelmed by this. What to do here? Should I do this? Oh my God, this is also bothering. This is also bothering. This is too much for me. I'm becoming breathless. I don't know what to do. I'm becoming restless, breathless, and abusiveness. Abusive language. Fuck you, bastard, just like that. Just in normal talk, they use these words. Such use of offensive language in your normal talk is generally indicative of tubercular miasm, tuberculinum. All these remedies you should remember when you see offensive language in the patient's talk. And one of the most prominent tubercular remedies, which will show intense suffering, burning, and want of results immediately, then you think of insect. And especially you think of insect if you see there, along with this, you see sexuality, intense sexuality. I want to have sex and I want to have it now. And she's a girl and she's young and she's desperate to have sex. If you see very intense desire for sex, that is very very characteristic of Cantharis. Excessive sexuality. Actually, it's written in many remedies, this symptom, nymphomania. But I have actually seen in Cantharis patients nymphomania. Matlab, they really sleep, think, talk, everything about sex. You see sexuality very predominating, offensive language, and this hyperactivity, restlessness of tubercular miasm. Always think of Cantharis. And one last symptom that is very important of Cantharis is, along with this intense burning, if you see coldness of extremities, extreme cold, matlab they have gone icy coldness of extremities and suffocative feeling. If you see this icy coldness, very, very characteristic and confirmatory symptom of Cantharis. So hyperactivity, restlessness, frenzied. The word to remember is frenzied sexuality, and along with that, this coldness of extremities, icy coldness. These three symptoms is the characteristics complex of the remedy Cantharis. And Cantharis also has this fear of insanity, fear of going mad, then and fear of becoming stupid. You know, Cantharis is very much like Baraita Carb. You will feel I am seeing a Baraita Carb patient now. They will say that I am reading, but I am not understanding what I am reading. I'm not able to get it. My consultant is telling me that you give this medicine, this remedy, and then I'm not able to register. I ask again, sir, can you please tell me again? Please, I just forgot. And I do this work every day, but still I keep asking. I feel my mind has gone dull. This Baraita carb like dullness of mind with excessive sexuality, frenzy, and coldness. Four symptoms, remember. That is Cantharis. Right? Last remedy is stramonium. Stramonium is belongs to the Solanaceae family, like Belladonna, and in stramonium, again what we see is there is a lot of visualization. You know, in Belladonna there is not so much of visualization. They feel that the ghost will come, but if you ask them describe the ghost, they'll give you little bit of idea of, no, it's a big ghost, like that, but they'll not give you details. Stramonium will give you details. Or I can see the ghost is very big. The ghost is very big. It is black in color. This black is very important. This blackness is very, very important in stramonium. Black ghost, too dark, night. I can't take night. I can't take darkness. I can't take sparkling light. In darkness, there is sudden sparkling. Scared, terrified. I can see a huge train of insects, a huge train of animals coming. I can visualize them. I can see them. This is stramonium. I can see that the whole city's buildings are collapsing. I can visualize, see, oh my God, I have that dream that the whole building is collapsing. Scared. That is the fear of stramonium. And this overwhelms me, and this makes me feel I'm going to go mad. Am I going mad? If you see this, that is stramonium. Along with this, in stramonium, you will see dryness of throat, and dryness of throat and suppression of excretions like urine, stool, perspiration. Patient will tell, I want to perspire, but I cannot perspire. I want to urinate, but I don't get urination. My urine has stopped since I got scared. Since that terrorizing experience, my urine has stopped. My stools are not proper. This is very characteristic of stramonium. So that is what I had for all of us today on this rubric. There is no sub rubrics to it, and cross references is growling like a dog, like actually making noise like a dog. This rubric we will learn when it comes in our series, right? So these were the references used, and we look forward for your suggestions, for your opinions, and see you all soon. Hope this was helpful to you.